Step 1. First, carefully inspect the rim. Some rims are split into two halves joined by screws. Step 2. If your rim has a brake disc attached, use an L key or spinner to remove it first. Step 3. Use an L key to unscrew and separate both parts of the rim. Step 4. Take out the old solid tire. Place the new tire between both rim halves. Step 5. Align both rim parts. Begin tightening screws gradually in a balanced pattern. Don't fully tighten one screw at a time. If the new tire is slightly wider, your original screws may not reach. Use longer screws with the same thread width. Step 6. Once the rim is secured, reattach the brake disc using your L key or spinner. Your solid tire is now securely fitted and ready to roll. Step 1. If the rim is not openable, you'll need to remove the whole wheel from the scooter. Step 2. Detach the brake disc using an L key or spinner to prevent damage while removing the tire. Step 3. Use tire bars to carefully pry off the old solid tire. Step 4. Prepare your tools. A microwave. 3 metal or strong bars, about 1 foot long. Solid wooden platform. Gloves and a thick cloth. Step 5. Heat the new solid tire in a microwave, 2 minutes on one side, then flip and heat for 2 more minutes. Step 6. Place the rim on a sturdy wooden platform. With gloves on, press one side of the hot tire into the rim and pin it in place with your foot. Step 7. Use 2 bars to lock the tire's left and right sides. Use the third bar to press the middle of the tire onto the rim. Step 8. If the tire isn't evenly seated, adjust it using a pry tool or large pliers. Step 9. Reinstall the brake disc using the L key or spinner. Then mount the wheel back onto the scooter. Step 10. Spin the wheel, check alignment, and confirm everything is secure.